Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lee, and I am back with another video. How are you guys doing? I hope good. Well, today I am going to be showing you how I do my stuffed lobster. So come on over here and let me show you what I'm doing. So here in this bowl, I have a lobster, some tilapia, a snow crab custard, some shrimp, and some scallops. And here I have some bacon, some sour cream, some cream cheese. Then I have some minced garlics, some padilla, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some crushed red pepper, some accent, my Caribbean Saison, which is optional, my Old Bay, and my chopped chives. I also have some butter. So the first thing I am going to do is sear my shrimp and my scallops in some butter. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of butter in the pan and pre-sear those. Just let that butter melt down in there. And over here, while that's searing down, I'm going to take this bowl right here and I'm going to add my cream cheese, my sour cream, some butter, whatever amount you want. And I'm going to go ahead and add my bacon bits. Now with the bacon bits, I fried this. You can, however, buy the bacon bits that are already pre-cooked out of the store, but I prefer the fresh bacon. And to that, I am going to add some chives. No certain amount. Going to add some red pepper, crushed red pepper. Going to add some minced garlic. Going to add my garlic powder. My accent, my Old Bay, not much, my Caribbean Saison, my padilla, and a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to move back over here where I have my butter searing. I'm going to add my shrimp. I just want to lightly brown them on each side. Just a little bit of color. That's garlic. That's a piece of garlic there. Just going to add a little bit of color on them with some black pepper. I just want them to lightly brown on each side, nothing major. I'm going to go ahead and flip them. Just give them a little bit of color. Now this is also optional. Pre-sear these or anything. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Now I'm going to drop my scallops in there. And while then I'm gonna sear my fish a little bit. Add a little bit of color to that. Now while that's on the stove, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna take some meat from my crab cluster, my snow crab cluster. And we're not gonna use the whole cluster. We're only gonna use a little bit of it. So ooh, that's flying everywhere. Be careful. It's hard to get out sometimes. And you can pre-do this. You can go ahead and empty your crab clusters ahead of time. I'm going to finish getting this meat out of this snow crab cluster and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I've taken my shrimp out, my scallops, and my fish. I did my snow crab cluster. I didn't use the whole thing, but you're welcome to use the whole thing. Now for my lobster, I'm going to take and I'm going to slit my lobster over the top. And my scissors are kind of dull. So make sure you have some good sharp shears. I gotta go and buy me another nice pair of sharp shears. And so when you cut it, it's gonna look like this on the top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, and you wanna make sure that's cut open a little bit because you wanna be able to stuff it. And you see how that is? And that's how you really want it to look. You want to have a slit in it because you're going to stuff this. So I have my mixture here that I had added, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that up together. Mix it the best way you can. You know, this is your mixture with your bacon and everything. Just go ahead and mix that up in real good together. Because what you're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add my crab meat to this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my tilapia here that I've pre-seared, and I'm going to go ahead and crunch that up in there like that. I'm going to stir that up. Until now, I'm going to go ahead and stuff my lobster with the crab meat and the mixture and stuff. Just stuff it all in there like that. And this might be a bit much, so don't expect it to all fit at one time. I'm going to add some shrimp. And I'm going to take and add a couple of scallops, but I'm going to slice my scallops in half. Not many. Stuff it in there the best way you can. No desired amount. I mean, no certain amount, just whatever you desire. Okay. Excuse me. Then, oh, my stuff is falling, don't worry. If it falls, just pick it up. I'm going to add a little bit of peppers and seasonings and onions. A little bit of chives and crushed red pepper. And garlic powder. And make sure you grab a large enough lobster to stuff it. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And when I come back, I'll come back with the results. So now that it's done, this is your product right here, your finished product. Now I actually had to let this cook a little longer. I actually had to let it cook between 30 and 35 minutes instead of 20 or 25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and garnish this off and I'll be right back. So I'm going to have some rice here that I'm going to put on this plate. Some plain old white rice. And I'm going to take my lobster. Gotta be careful. It's hot. And place it over the bed of rice. Get my little droppings. Oh. I can garnish that off with a little bit of chives. I also I have a lemon here. I'm going to slice this lemon and squeeze a little bit of it over the lobster and the rice. And this is your finished product. I don't need that on the side. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.